goal with this activity is to really loosen up the torso. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to lie flat on your stomach with your arms and legs stretched out. So whatever arm is going to be doing the rolling, I'm going to turn my head towards that side. So it's going to be my left arm in this case. So I'm lying flat. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to reach your arm long. Eyes are going to kind of look up towards the fingertips, but I'm not really like arching my head back. Just try to use your eyes. And then what you're going to do is you're going to kind of also turn in the rest of my body at the same time. Eyes are going to stay on the fingertips. You're going to nasal breathe, turn until you flop on your back, rinse and repeat. Just like that. Eyes are on the fingertips. Like so. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.